Well, this morning we are still cloudy, very humid across East Texas, warming up, and we will see all of that combination result in some thunderstorms again this afternoon. 77 currently in Longview. We have a south-southeast wind at 9 miles per hour, and you see that relative humidity at 84%. Got plenty of cloud cover all across East Texas. The front, which has at times been stationary this morning, is a warm front moving back off to the north and the northwest, and we are beginning to see some showers develop along that front, mainly back along the I-35 corridor. We expect to see activity, as it has the past couple of afternoons, develop again this afternoon here in East Texas. Now, these are our temperatures, and right now we are showing 70s, pushing all the way up to that warm front, but on the other side of the warm front, about a 15 to nearly 20-degree drop in those temperatures as the south winds continue to bring that warm, moist air northward into the area. The low-level moisture again is dominating much of the eastern portions of Texas. Much drier air back out in the western part of the state, and it's right along this area where that front has been generating those thunderstorms, and they haven't moved out. We just haven't seen these systems move out for at least 2 or 3 days. Futurecast shows the stationary front still back to the west this afternoon. By 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we will be seeing the thunderstorms develop again, and they will target that north and northeastern portions of East Texas as we go on through the afternoon. Into the evening at 7 o'clock, more showers and thunderstorms. All forms of severe weather will be possible as the thunderstorms develop. Large hail and damaging thunderstorm wind gusts are the primary threats, but a few tornadoes also possible. And then you've got to consider the heavy rainfall, which we've been getting in these counties over the past few days. This is 11 o'clock tonight. Activity should begin to wane just a bit by that time, but it will start up again on Saturday as we'll have more of these showers and thunderstorms finally moving to the east. And as the front finally picks up speed and heads off to the east, we'll see that weather coming to an end for us, and we'll be calming down as we get into the second half of the weekend into the early part of next week. However, today we've still got at this time a moderate risk of severe storms. That is stage 4 of that 1 to 5 categories that we talk about. Moderate risk here in the northeast corner of the area. That extends down to about I-20 and also back to the west toward the Highway 69 corridor there in the northern part of the area. An enhanced risk goes down into deep East Texas, down to about Athens, Jacksonville, and Henderson, and then in the far southern and western portions of East Texas, a slight risk that we will see some severe storms there. On Saturday, slight risk of severe storms for much of the central part of East Texas. The enhanced risk shifts to the east as those thunderstorms start to take off toward the east. And of course, we've got a flood watch through Saturday night for the I-30 corridor in the north. Could see 3 to an additional 6 inches of rainfall there. Thunderstorms through the weekend. Things will begin to wind up by Sunday, and we will see some improved weather as we get into next week. Similar conditions for deep East Texas with those thunderstorms lasting through Saturday and Saturday night, and we calm down next week. Check out the forecast anytime at KETK.com.